Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Characteristics of different types of transport. So the first one we are looking at is a simple diffusion. The simple diffusion, the electrochemical gradient is going to be downhill. Other significant findings such as it is not significant, that is the carrier mediated, metabolic energy sodium gradiated, it is no. And then we move on to the facilitated. Facilitated is very similar, but here is it carrier mediated? Yes, it is carrier mediated. So this is the only difference in the facilitated. In primary active transport, the electrochemical gradient, it is going to be uphill, whereas in simple and facilitated it was downhill. And carrier mediated, yes. And is it metabolic energy is used? The answer is again yes, metabolic energy is used. Now the inhibits of the sodium and the potassium bond, it is inhibits of the sodium and potassium bond, sodium and the potassium. So does it inhibit? The answer is yes, it inhibits. Next is the secondary active transport, co-transport. The secondary active co-transport, it is basically it is uphill. And is it carrier mediated? Yes, it is metabolic carrier mediated. Is it carrier mediated? Answer is yes. Is it metabolic energy is used? The answer is it is indirect. Does it inhibit the sodium and the potassium pump? The answer is yes, it inhibits. Then moving on to the secondary active transport, counter transport. The secondary active transport, counter transport. So in this, is it uphill? Yes, the answer is it is uphill. And is there mediated, carrier mediated? Answer is yes, carrier mediated. Is there a metabolic energy? The answer is indirect. The sodium gradient, yes. The difference here is the sodium gradient, it moves in opposite direction, whereas in case of the co-transport it is in the same direction, whereas in case of the counter transport, so in counter transport it is in opposite direction. So let's clear it. In case of secondary active transport, co-transport means it is in same direction. That is, what is in same direction? The sodium gradient. Whereas in case of the counter transport, it is in the opposite direction. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.